This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today's pillow paint is Glidden Essentials in Eggshell. Our pouring medium is Valspar Ultra and Varathane Polyurethane Triple Thick. That's in a 3-to-1 ratio. Today's paints are here, and they are mixed in a 3-to-1 ratios with a pouring medium. Our cell activators are copper penny and titanium white. They are also 3-to-1 with Australian Floetrol. Our pillow paint is going down now. That's the Glidden Essentials in Eggshell. Spinning this out to spread the paint out as much as possible so I get a nice even coat and also get an idea how much paint is down there. I think I got it pretty well centered now. And we're going to get ready for our first paint. Our first paint is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. This is a golden color, and it gives a really good base. It looks orange here, and but there is a gold quality to it. Our next paint up is TLP Ore. Now this is a very shimmery paint. It's metallic, and probably one of my favorite golds that I have in my palette. Our next color is Allen's Red Shimmer. This is a Forge Posse paint, and it's on Christina Welch's Etsy page. So if you're interested at all, I'll leave the link down in the bottom in the description section. What I had to do there is I added a little bit of Josonia varnish and water to help loosen up the paint. It gotten thicker and sitting. So it's a nice way to get your paints to the consistency you need. Okay, our next color coming up is called Ball Gown. This is a TLP paint, and it is a gold interference. I'm showing you the consistency of the paint there. I'm going to put a lot of this down because this gives an overall shimmer. Very subtle, but beautiful. I should point out that I am in no way sponsored by the paints that I recommend on my videos. It's just things that I really do love and like to share. So if you have any questions, I will leave links down in the description below. Our next color is Phthalo Green. This is an Arteza paint. Again, it got a little bit thick sitting, so I'm adding some Joss Onion water and mixing it up till I get it to the right consistency. Now, Phthalo Green I'm putting this down very sparingly because it will take over, and you'll see it in the final product. There's not that much down, but it will show up. We're about ready for our cell activators. The two colors we're using today are Copper Penny. This is a Forge Posse paint, and it's mixed 3-to-1 with Australian Floetrol. Next down is Titanium White, and I'm going to grab my hair dryer and set out on low and blow it out. give you a closer look so you can see the cells open up. Picked up my straw to break up that white activator there, get some cells going. Got fairly decent coverage on this blowout, so it means the in job of when I spin this out will be much easier. Stretching it over to the side that it's furthest it from the edge. Okay, I think it's about time to make some modifications. Picked up my skewer and I'm basically swirling the colors together to create some interest. Most of the stuff right on the outside will probably disappear. That's okay, it's fun. Any modifications that are made at this point are stretched and become more exaggerated, more pronounced as it stretches out to the edges. So I'm just having some fun here. What I was looking for here is to get some fall colors going, and I think these actually worked very well together. Went a little wild and crazy. I think there was a little piece of gunk there I needed to pull out. Closing up my paints so they don't dry out. I can use them next time. And I think it's coming close to time to spin this out. If you have any questions or comments, I'd invite you to leave them down in the comments section below. I do read them all and will answer. I picked up a piece of paper towel to get rid of some of the excess paint that is already spun off, because there's still enough paint that I need to spin a little bit more. Spin again. It's a pretty healthy spin. And I'm starting to see that I'm not having that much paint move, so we're getting pretty close. Okay, I moved it over to the edge to get some of the white on that side to spin off. And it's about ready for the flyover. I want to thank you for being here. If you could give me a like, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for future notifications, videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 3 a week, and I hope this has been useful to you. I want to thank you for being here today and hope you have a great day. Bye now.